Assalamualaikum. Welcome to your online computers class. Ms. Zoya here. Now let's start. Question answer of chapter number 3, MS Word. What is word art? Word art allows you to insert the different styles of text in a document. It makes your document more attractive. Different styles of word art. Question number 2. Define page margin. Page margin is the blank space around the edges of the page. Your page margin here on the left, right, top and bottom. You can also select your page margin using the page layout tab, and from the page setup group select the margin and now choose your specific option. Question number 3. Which tab you will click to insert word art? Click the Insert tab to insert word art. Click the Insert tab to insert word art. Question number 4. Name the shortcut key to open a document in the MS Word. Ctrl+O key is used to open a document. Press Ctrl+O. Now type your document name here which you want to open. Question number 5. Define paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing allows you to add space above and below the selected paragraph. Paragraph spacing. Click in the paragraph. Select the page layout tab. Now from paragraph group, choose your spacing before and after. Question number 6. Define page orientation. Page orientation means the layout position of the document, may be either portrait or landscape. Page orientation. Click on the page layout tab. Now from the page setup group, choose orientation. Now select portrait or landscape view option. Question number 7. Write the basic step to insert symbols in a document. To insert symbol, follow the given step. Click in the document where you want to insert symbol. Click the Insert tab. Click symbol from symbol group. A list appears. Select the symbol you want. The symbol will get inserted. To insert symbols, click in the document where you want to insert the symbol. Click in the Insert tab. Click on symbol from symbols group. A list appears. Choose the symbol you want to insert. Question number 8. What are the basic steps required to set line spacing? To set line spacing, follow the given steps. Select the text for which you want to set line spacing. Click Home tab. Click Line Spacing from paragraph group. A list appears. Select the spacing you want between the lines. Select line spacing. Select the text for which you want to apply or which you want to set the line spacing. Click the Home tab. Click Line Spacing from paragraph group. Now choose your spacing from the list and apply it. Question number 9. Write the step to insert word art text in a document. To insert word art, follow the given steps. Click the Insert tab. Click word art from text group. A gallery appears. Choose the style you want. The placeholder box appears. Type the text in a placeholder box. The word art text gets inserted. To insert word art, click the Insert tab. Now from the text group, click word art. A gallery appears. Choose your style you want to apply. A placeholder box appears. Type your text and click OK. Your word art text gets inserted. Okay students, thank you. Keep learning.